Two iconic giants of fast food, McDonald's and Burger King. One burning question: which one really delivers? On one side, McDonald's, famous for its fast, consistent service and golden arches. On the other, Burger King, reigning with flame-grilled burgers and bold flavors. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's what we're gonna cover. First up, we're talking price and value, cause who doesn't want to know where their money's going? Then taste and quality, obviously. We'll hit health and nutrition for those counting calories or at least pretending to. After that, speed and convenience, cause time is everything. Menu variety and options, because sometimes you want more than just another cheeseburger. And finally, the signature burger showdown. That's a lot, so let's get right into it. First up, price and value. So McDonald's, honestly, they've got that happy meal for under £4, plenty of value menu stuff, and they're always throwing deals on the app. The catch, if you like combos, choices are kinda and the portions can be a little underwhelming. Now Burger King steps up with their meal deals, like the one at £5.99 is packed with more variety, and their sides. We're talking onion rings and even churro fries, so it's not just fries all day. You definitely get bigger portions for your cash, but yeah, base prices are usually a bit higher. So who's your wallet's best friend? Burger King takes this one. They just pack in more bang for your buck. Taste and quality time. McDonald's is basically the blueprint for fast food consistency. Their burger patties are smooth, fries are addictively crisp and salty, and when you get a quarter pounder, that's pretty decent quality, honestly. Downside, the flavor is a bit safe, nothing wild, and you won't get that charred taste. Now Burger King, the Whopper brings this smoky, flame-grilled magic that stands out. They load up the ingredients, those nuggets got that peppery crunch, and their spicy wraps are not just spicy for the label, they actually have a kick. But sometimes that flame-grilled vibe is a hit or miss, and the heavier portions might leave you like, wow, I need a nap. Who wins? It's honestly a tie. Both have their strengths, so depends what your cravings are. Third round, health and nutrition. McDonald's comes in clutch with more low-cal options like the classic Egg McMuffin, only 310 calories and solid on protein. Their breakfast menu has healthier picks, but vegetarians might be a bit let down with how few meatless options there are. Burger King's got the Impossible Whopper, a plant-based classic, plus spicy chicken wraps with legit fresh veg. Downside, the calorie count climbs quick, 630 for that Impossible Whopper, and overall, portions mean you're probably over budget on the calorie front most days. So if you're trying to keep it light, McDonald's just edges ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know McDonald's serves approximately 69 million people every single day? That is wild. No wonder those golden arches are everywhere. Now let's talk speed and convenience, and we all know this can make or break a drive-thru experience. McDonald's is basically the Usain Bolt of fast food. Fastest drive-thru average at 3 minutes, easy-to-use app with constant deals and the ordering vibe. Super predictable across locations. Burger King does have some exclusive app meal deals, and you can build out their king of wrap meals, which is cool. But their drive-thru, usually about a minute slower, and that flame grilling. Yeah, it takes a little longer if you're in a rush. Winner for life's fast lane, that's McDonald's by a mile. Next, menu variety and options. This is where things heat up. McDonald's is super consistent with their core menu, and if you're into desserts, the McFlurry is basically legendary. Every now and then they'll throw us something global like a McSpicy. Spicy nuggets are nice too, but let's be honest, burger options don't really change, and unless you just want fries, you don't have a lot to pick from for sides. Now Burger King, oh man, they go wild with Whopper variations, classic, impossible, cheese, you name it. Sides go beyond fries, onion rings, churro fries, those fun little crown-shaped nuggets, wraps with bold sauces. There's always something new or funky to try, but the menu structure can be different depending on where you are. Bottom line, if you like switching things up, Burger King wins for variety. Alright, let's finish strong with Signature Burger. McDonald's classic Big Mac, it's like the icon. And that quarter pounder, it's legit, made with fresh beef recently, and when you want that mega chain burger taste, this is your guy. Thing is, if you're chasing a smoky, grilled thing, not here. Burger King's Whopper though, that's their pride, with a flame-grilled patty that's nearly always got that backyard barbecue thing going. Loaded up toppings, mayo, lettuce, pickles, it's heavier too, so you're not left hungry, but the flame-grilled hit is sometimes inconsistent. Honestly, both have their own loyal following, and it's hard to crown just one winner. Let's call this one a tie. Time for a quick visual. Let's see where each chain really shines. As you can see, Burger King takes the win for value and variety, but McDonald's isn't just everywhere, they score highest for speed and healthy-ish options. Taste and the signature burger, still neck and neck. So here's the real talk. If speed, consistency, and health-conscious eats are your thing, McDonald's is hands down the go-to, especially if you want your food fast and those signature fries. But if you want portion size, wild menu items, and just more food for your dollar, I'd swing by Burger King. For a budget meal under $15, Burger King gives you more variety and you'll probably walk away stuffed. But for a quick bite and no surprises, McDonald's is always reliable. If you found this fast food showdown helpful and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Tons more comparisons coming, don't miss 'em.